Welcome to Healthy Horizons. We share the best tips on eating smart and living strong, with expert advice and practical health insights. Subscribe now and start your journey to better health. Understanding baking soda and citric acid. Baking soda and citric acid are natural ingredients that can be used in various ways to support your health and well-being. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a white powder with alkaline properties. It's often used in cooking and cleaning, but it's also effective for neutralizing stomach acid and caring for your skin. On the other hand, citric acid is found in citrus fruits, like lemons and oranges. It's an acidic substance that helps with detoxification and breaking down fatigue-causing toxins in the body. Both have unique benefits that can enhance your daily routine. When combined, baking soda and citric acid create a fizzy reaction that releases carbon dioxide. This reaction is commonly used for cleaning or detoxifying purposes, as it effectively removes impurities both inside and outside the body, contributing to better health and skincare. Promoting digestion. Baking soda is great for aiding digestion. It works by neutralizing excess stomach acid, which can help relieve indigestion or bloating. Simply mixing baking soda with water can soothe an upset stomach and make digestion easier. However, it's important not to overuse it, as it can lead to digestive problems if taken too frequently. Limit its use to 1 or 2 times a week for optimal results. Citric acid, on the other hand, stimulates the digestive system by increasing the production of stomach acid. This helps food break down more efficiently, especially after meals or when you feel sluggish. Incorporating citric acid into your diet can make a noticeable difference in how well your body processes food. Improving oral health. Baking soda is also known for its ability to brighten your smile. Its gentle abrasive properties help remove surface stains from your teeth, making them whiter. However, because it's quite strong, you should only use it for brushing once or twice a week. Daily use might damage your enamel, so be sure to rinse your mouth well after brushing. Citric acid can help prevent bad breath. Its acidic nature lowers the pH in your mouth, reducing the growth of bacteria that cause bad odors. Drinking lemon water is a simple way to freshen your breath naturally. Just remember to rinse your mouth afterward to protect your teeth from the acidity. Boosting energy and reducing fatigue. Citric acid plays a key role in breaking down lactic acid, which is a common cause of fatigue. By supporting the body's energy production through the citric acid cycle, it helps you feel less tired and more energized. Drinking lemon water or consuming citrus fruits after exercise can speed up recovery and refresh your body. Baking soda can also reduce fatigue by balancing the body's Ph levels. When your body becomes too acidic, it can lead to tiredness and decreased energy. Drinking a small amount of baking soda mixed with water helps neutralize this acidity, restoring your body's balance and leaving you feeling more refreshed. Detoxifying the body. Citric acid is a powerful antioxidant that helps cleanse your body from within. It neutralizes harmful substances like free radicals, which can damage cells and speed up aging. Eating citrus fruits or drinking citrus juices regularly helps your body detoxify, keeping you healthy and glowing from the inside out. Baking soda supports detoxification by balancing the body's acid levels. When your body is too acidic, toxins can build up more easily. Baking soda's alkalizing properties help neutralize this acid and encourage the elimination of waste from your body. Drinking a glass of baking soda water in the morning can help reset your system after a night of rest, improving skin health. Baking soda can be used in natural skincare routines to exfoliate and cleanse your skin. Its gentle scrubbing action removes dead skin cells and clears out clogged pores, reducing acne and blackheads. To use it safely, mix baking soda with water to form a paste, and apply it to your skin once or twice a week. Afterward, always moisturize to protect your skin's barrier. Citric acid helps balance your skin's pH levels, which is important for maintaining a healthy complexion. When your skin becomes too alkaline, it can lead to dryness or irritation. Using citric acid in small amounts, such as adding a few drops to your toner or facial mist, helps restore your skin's natural balance and prevents these issues. Balancing the body's alkaline levels. Baking soda is a powerful tool for maintaining the body's alkaline balance. When our bodies become too acidic from stress, diet, or lack of exercise, we can experience fatigue, weakened immunity, and other health problems. Drinking baking soda water helps neutralize excess acid in the body, bringing your system back to its optimal state. It's especially effective when consumed in the morning or after meals. Citric acid, despite being acidic, actually helps the body maintain an alkaline balance once it's metabolized. Foods like lemons and grapefruits are rich in citric acid, which helps neutralize excess acid in the body and keeps your system balanced. Regular consumption of these foods can help improve your overall health by maintaining a stable pH level, enhancing immune function. Citric acid supports your immune system by ensuring your cells have enough energy to function properly. By boosting the citric acid cycle in your body, it helps your immune cells stay active and ready to fight off viruses and infections. Regular consumption of citrus fruits, especially during cold and flu season, can strengthen your immune system and keep you healthier. Baking soda strengthens your body's defenses by helping maintain a healthy pH balance, which is crucial for optimal immune function. When the body is too acidic, immune cells can't work as efficiently. Baking soda helps keep your body in an alkaline state, allowing your immune system to function at its best. Drinking a small amount of baking soda water each day can give your immune system the support it needs. These simple yet powerful natural ingredients, baking soda and citric acid, can make a significant difference in your health and well-being. Whether it's for boosting digestion, improving skin health, or enhancing your immune system, incorporating them into your daily routine is a great way to support your body naturally. Just remember to use them in moderation and enjoy the benefits of these wonderful, natural remedies. How did you like the video? At Healthy Horizons, we bring you the best tips on eating smart and living strong, with carefully curated health and wellness insights. If you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next video. See you next time.